Hi, I'm TA Play, your trading buddy. So welcome to the 13th episode of our Play daily review. And as usual, in this video we'll be talking about two counters from the Malaysian market, and also we'll be discussing some big happenings of the day. Alright. So for those who are watching my video for the first time, I would like to let you know that in our daily updates video, we will be focusing on the chart technical analysis, the TA, because we believe the chart is the best insider. Yeah. So if you know how to read the chart, it will able to tell you a lot of hidden story. All right. So if you haven't watched our previous analysis of the few stocks, you can just click into our channels and watch the previous episodes. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe our channel, yeah, so that you won't miss our next video. Yeah, so please click on subscribe right now. Okay, so let us get into the content for today. Firstly, I would like to show you, yeah, show you the news, the big news of yesterday. Yeah, so as the title sounds, stocks and oil prices fall as Moderna CEO says current vaccines will struggle with Omicrons. Yeah, which means he's saying that the current vaccine that we have might not able to fight the new variant of coronavirus. Yeah, but then after all, if you read into his news or statements, yeah, then this just is some of his personal news, because it's still not backed by any data or any research. Yeah, because according to the authorities, they need at least 1 week to 2 weeks for them to actually getting know better on this Omicron viruses. So yeah, so but after all, when his statement was released yesterday afternoon, you can see the whole market, including the Asia region market and also the US futures, was actually turning down. Yeah, and the oil prices has also fell about 2%. All right, and of course, after what we have went through yesterday, at yesterday night on the US market, yeah, it was being it was created another panic sell, yeah, due to some uncertainty on this new variant of coronavirus. Yeah, so as you can see, the chart of Dow Jones last night, yeah, is another big red candle. Yeah, it breaks support again. So yeah, if you still remember in my previous video, I have mentioned that it will need to break this box resistance in order to rebound, but then it doesn't even try. Yeah, it just break the support straight away. So you can see how how terrifying the market is. Yeah, so being such a big drop of US market last night, so for today Malaysia market, you need to be extra cautious. Yeah, so I'm worried that we'll be experience um another round of selling. All right, but this round of selling for me, it won't be too, you won't be feeling too strong or too panic. Yeah, because the most panic sell was happened 2 days ago. Yeah, so for those who want to sell, I assume that they're already selling um majority of it. Yeah, so let's just see how Malaysian market is going to react for today. But then it won't be the good market for today. Yeah, it won't be a good day, because in whole regional and also the US market was closed at the low price yesterday. So yeah, just hope that we won't be hit too badly for today. All right, so after you seeing the Dow Jones, maybe I can show you another chart for Nasdaq as well. Nasdaq, yeah, the tech sector is slightly stronger, yeah, it's slightly stronger compared to Dow Jones, yeah. So I maintain the same review and comment as previous video, which is, yeah, so far the tech sector, yeah, the technology sector is still the strongest among all. Yeah, so if you are looking for some rebound play, or you are looking for some sector to trade, yeah, maybe tech sector will be your one of the best choices. Okay, yeah. So I've shown you the chart of Nasdaq and also the Dow Jones. Okay, now let us get into our Malaysia market, the KLCI. Okay, yeah. our KLCI yesterday was trying to form a rebound over here, but then you can see the overall momentum is still very weak. Yeah, it's still very weak because it has broken the important support, as I said in previous videos. Yeah, and yesterday rebound, as you can see, is being blocked by the resistance of MA10. All right, so if I see purely on the chart of KLCI without considering the the regional market, yeah. So for KLCI to rebound, firstly it will need to break the support of 1522, okay, or it will need to break the support of MA10. Either one, then only it will have the potential for it to make a rebound on this current situation, okay. So but then of course you can see it's kind of bad right now. Yeah, it's kind of weak. So whether it will able to perform, so let us see if we can rebound on this stage, yeah, and get back above 1522, then maybe we can have some year-end rally. Yeah, all right. So after we talking about this index, so let's get into the counters for today. Yeah, so this counter, the first one is MBSB. Yeah, it's one of the, the counter that being requested by our audience in the comment box. So we are putting it into our videos, yeah, to do some analysis. All right. So yeah, if you're seeing the chart of MBSB, first thing I can say is of course it's not looking good. Yeah, mainly because of this. Okay, as you can see, this is the one of the highest point, and this is another point. Yeah. So what can you see is a getting into the downtrend. Yeah, getting into the downtrend because the lower high is being formed. Okay, lower high is being formed. This is firstly. The second one is you can see the moving average. Yeah, the moving average has actually formed a death cross over here. So which means the overall trend has changed. Yeah, so it's not a downtrend. If you see from a longer time frame, still nothing much that we can see right now. Yeah, so most importantly, yesterday it has break the support of this level, which is 60 cents. Okay, so for me, if you all right, okay, so as you can see for the chart, there's a two level of support over here. The first level of support is 60 cents. The second level of support is, I mean oops okay, so the second level of support is over here. Yeah, all right, which is a 57 cent and 57 and half cents. Okay, so for those who have holdings in this chart, yeah, I would say that if the share price it's better for the share price to rebound on today, yeah, to rebound and stay above 60 cents, then the share price might be stopped dropping for some times, yeah, which means it's getting supported on this level of 60 cents. But then if today it fails to come back above 60 cents, then most probably it will continue the downtrend, yeah, and it will find next support at 57 and half cents. All right, so for those who are doesn't have any holdings in this counter, if for me personally, I will definitely wait and monitor, yeah, because as my advice, um, which I may mention a few times in my videos, I would say that never catch a falling knife, right? So because it's on a downtrend formation right now, and the share price seems yet to find a support, so I'm not going to simply making an entry over here, yeah, because I have no idea how low the price will go, yeah, because in a downtrend, this the characteristics of the downtrend is the share price will just keep going lower and until it can find a level of support and make some either consolidation or a rebound from there. All right, so if you want to make an entry of this kind of chart, you at least need to wait for the support and also consolidation first. Yeah, you can see the stage of you can see like the stage of stabilization, yeah, wait for the price to settle down, then only you consider to make an entry, yeah. Okay, so this is my chart review on MBSB. Okay, so next, we're looking at another stock, yeah, which are also commented by our audience. Okay, me Technovation. All right, so one of the tech culture in Malaysia market. So yeah, still this trend doesn't look really nice, yeah, mainly because of yeah, you can see on this box. All right, you can see over here it's actually a box of consolidation, right? It's ding dong within these boxes, yeah. So but then over here you can see that it started to choose the direction, yeah, ding dong within the box, and it's break the box and it choose direction to going downwards, yeah. So this is the beginning of the downtrend, yeah. As you can see, the three lines of moving average are heading downwards, yeah, and also the candlestick is below the MA10, which is considered as a bearish sign. All right, so as you can see, make it zoom in here. All right, it's trying to rebound, but then it's failed. And here, yesterday it trying to make a rebound again, but it's failed again. So next, what you need to monitor is, um, for today's market, if the share price can um breaks further, yeah, and stays above the moving average 10 at least, so it still have some hope to actually make a rebound here. All right, but then if today it fails to break upwards, and I mean you may can see if it, or I would say that if today's market the share price it closed rate, then most probably it will continue the downtrend. All right, most probably continue the downtrend because you can see the overall trend is not so good right now, yeah. So yep, so if you continue the downtrend, you need to decide, I mean not to decide, you need to determine the next support should be around this area, yeah, should be around this area, okay, which is around 3 ringgit and 10 cents, yeah. So for those who have holdings, these are the points that you need to take note. And for those who are trying to trade or trying to make either bottom fishing, yeah. So for now, it's definitely not the time yet, okay? Because I would say the price is still like hanging in the middle, yeah. It doesn't even follow the support, or it's not even like in a very panic mode, yeah. So if you want to do a bottom fishing, perhaps you can wait for the price of 2 ringgit and 10 cents, yeah, at this, because you can see previously 3 ringgit and 10 cents, because you can see previously this chart, the 3 ringgit and 10 cents is actually a strong support over here, yeah. But then for those who are not experienced traders, I would say it's please avoid from all this kind of downtrend chart, yeah, because it's better to for you to ride on the uptrend or enter in the consolidation, then only the risk is actually lower, okay. All right, so yeah, so this is my review on the chart of me, all right, our tech counter. So I have shared with you two counters and some big news and also some analysis on the index today. So I hope you learned something from our videos, actually from the part of technical analysis, yeah. And don't forget to hit the like and the share button, yeah, if you like our content. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well so that you won't miss our next video. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'm TA Play, your trading buddy. See you in the next video. Bye bye.